everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from your Crypto.com wallet to an external wallet safely. If this helps you, hit like so more people can find it. First, open the Crypto.com app and select Crypto Wallet from the sidebar. Then tap Withdraw and choose External Wallet. For security, you'll need to whitelist the wallet address you want to send crypto to. On the Add to Whitelist screen, select Wallet Address to approve it for both this and future transfers. Next, pick the cryptocurrency you want to send. Make sure you only select crypto you actually hold. For example, if you want to send BTC but only have ETH, you'll need to convert some ETH to BTC first. Also, ensure you send BTC to a BTC-compatible wallet address, or any other coin to its respective compatible wallet. If this is your first time sending BTC, Crypto.com will generate a BTC wallet address for you and send an email to confirm it. Once confirmed, you can enter the amount, double-check the address, and approve the transfer. Your crypto will then be sent to the external wallet securely. That's it. Transferring crypto is simple once you know the steps. If this helped you, hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.